Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to prepare the Final Marks Performance Paper template. The first step is to export the student data from the SEMIS application. So after you have logged in to the DHS2 platform and then going to the SEMIS application, you can go to the performance screen. Select the school, select the grade, and select the class. Now click on Final Marks, click on the drop-down arrow, and then click on Export Empty Template. Then click on Export Empty Template again, and wait for the download process. Make sure to download or export the performance data for all of the classes within the school. Now, download the paper template provided by Walico team. This is how the Final Marks Performance template looks like. In the first sheet, fill in the basic information such as school name, zone, district, year, and academic year. Now that we have filled in the basic information, let's prepare the sheet for each class. Since each class will have its own performance sheet, start by duplicating the first sheet to create one for each class in your school. It's recommended to prepare all of the sheets first for each class before adding the student names. To duplicate the sheet, right-click on the sheet name, click on Move or Copy, click on Move to End, click Create a Copy, then click on OK. Now, rename the sheet based on the class it represents. Okay, once you have done this process for all of the classes within the school, the next step is to copy the student names from the SEMIS export. Open the SEMIS export file containing the student names, and then here we can copy all of the student name for this class. In this case, this is class 1A. Now go back to the Final Marks Performance paper template and paste it here. You can also add the number for the students. To make it easier, you can double click on the square on the corner here. Okay, and here you can fill in the grade name and the class name. Now, let's save this Excel file as PDF for easier printing process. To do that, go to File, click on Save As. We can rename the file name here. And then select PDF as the file format. Make sure to select Workbook, then select Best for Printing, and then click on Save. Then you can review the saved PDF. The first sheet will be empty, and then starting from the second sheet, you will see the student names for all of the grade and classes. Okay, and that is how to prepare and save the Final Marks Performance paper template for all of the classes.